Shouts out to all the players and squares out there, man. Yo, Texas, what it do? Shouts out to SA, D-Time, ATX, EPT, PA, Moneyland, H-Time, RGV, Funky Town, Lean Time, Derillo, CCT, Galveston, Laredo, Victoria, TDC, Beaumont, Nacogdoches,
Man, Power 3.5 all the way from the Crooked City, Old City. We in the house, man. So we're not this interview out there. Let's get it. Here we go. Already Power 3.5, your number one station for blazing up all your favorite hip hop and R&B. Old City. It's going down right here on the Midday Melee. Boy the Goon at Noon, Elite One in studio, and I got a very special in studio guest. We're getting ready for today's Body O Banger, and I we got the privilege of having a cat actually in studio with me today. My man DMZ, Dirty Mexican Zoe. He's in the building.
What's good, partner, man? How you doing, man?
Hey, man, good to see you out here in Oklahoma City, man. Last time I linked up with you, back in the day, we was out in Corpus Christi. Now, you're over here in Oklahoma City, man. Tell us what's going on with you, bro. What you been up to, man?
Right now, I'm just pushing a new project called Certified. You know what I'm saying? It's a new album, just barely dropped. You know, it's got 17 hot tracks. Features Kylie, Amanda Perez, Low G, Rashid, Big Cease. You know what I'm saying? My partner Smuck from West Texas.
Already.
You know what I'm saying? So, you know, we just out here promoting, you know what I'm saying, getting it in. Out here networking with my partner, man. My partner Major Hustle, you know what I'm saying? He's a local. So.
Big shout out. Big shout out.
Yeah, definitely.
Already, man. Well, that's what's up. First off, man, you know, big salute from Oklahoma, man. They got a lot of love out here, so it's good to have you back here on the scene in the O. And so that's the project right now, Certified. I got it here in my hand. I'm checking it out, man. Yeah. So this is it right here. This is the latest and greatest.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, man. So tell us a little bit about what went into the project, man. Some of the cats you said you were working with, some of the songs here that we can look forward to.
On the last album, you know what I'm saying, I kind of softened it up a little bit with the hopes of getting on the radio, you know what I'm saying. That didn't work too well, but you know, my real support always been for the streets. You know?
Really?
So I took it back to the streets on this album, you know what I'm saying. I got a Texas anthem on there. I got a song called Feel Good Music, you know what I'm saying. It's something for you to ride in your low or your Cadillac, whatever you swing in, you know what I'm saying. It's a little something. I mean, you know, it's Cadillac music. You know what I'm saying? That's what they call it in Texas.
Yeah, that's what they call it. But that's what's up, man. So you know, and that's one thing I got to say about you, man. I've ran into a lot of cats in this business, man, throughout the years, and you are definitely one of the cats. I mean, it's evidence by you being in the studio here with me right now. You putting in the work, man. A lot of these guys that, you know, that put a project out, they think that they're famous. But you got to put in that work, man. Can you kind of talk about the hustle, how that's been for you?
Yeah. My dad, man, you know, I come from Mexican roots, you know what I'm saying? I'm Mexican, you know what I'm saying? My dad was a real hard worker, you know what I'm saying? So all I do is just put, when he taught me into this music, you know what I'm saying? I really love the music and I really want to do this. And, you know, it ain't nothing given for free at all, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, little by little we working, you know what I'm saying? I got a new movement called I Support Latin Hip Hop, you know what I'm saying? To kind of get the attention of the Latinos and at the same time, you know what I'm saying? To give everybody else, you know, notice, you know what I'm saying? Let them know that we really working and it's not just whatever, you know what I'm saying? It's not that music, you know what I'm saying? This is real hip hop music, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, if you take a listen to my music, man, you'll see that it's authentic, you know what I'm saying? It's real music and you really gonna feel it, man. Everybody gonna grab something that's gonna touch them, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's right. And what our listening audience here, those of us trying to get to learn Dirty Mexican Zoe, you know, DMZ, what you got going on? Where can we find you online? How can we stay up with you, man?
Yeah, well, Facebook, I'm already maxed out on friends, man. That's the best place to get at me. But you can hit me up on Twitter. It's Dirty Mexican Zoe. Twitter.com/Dirty Mexican Zoe. Facebook.com/Dirty Mexican Zoe. Yeah. YouTube.com/Dirty Mexican Zoe. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can go on there and check out my videos. I think I'm up to like 11, 12 videos.
So would it be safe to say we could probably Google you?
Yeah, just go look up Dirty Mexican Zoe on Google. You know, not everybody's up to date with my name change. You know, I had to tone it down a little bit with DMZ. Right. Because Dirty Mexican Zoe is a little vulgar and a lot of people real political.
Oh yeah, you know right. Yeah, that's the game we in.
Right, definitely. So I had to change my name. I had to tone it down to DMZ. You know what I'm saying? It's probably harder to find me that way, but if you just type in that Dirty Mexican Zoe or Mean Hustle, I mean, you'll pull me up.
Yeah, man, there it is, man. Zoe, man, one of the realest cats I've had the privilege of working with, talking to here in the past, and it's great to have you out here in Oklahoma City. What's next for you, man? I know you're doing a lot of moving around, man, out here grinding. That's what they're looking for.
Yeah, definitely. And you know, I learned that, you know, where I go to another town, And they swear I'm a superstar, and I'm like, nah, man, this is what I do, you know what I'm saying? I get out here, the little bit that you do know about me, you know what I'm saying? This is my main, this is how I win, you know what I'm saying? This is how I get my bread, it's in the streets. So don't be surprised you catch me at the flea market over there, trying to sell you a CD, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause that's what we do, you know what I'm saying? Me and my partner, 111, you know what I'm saying? He one of the artists, he up and coming as well.
Oh, really?
You know what I'm saying? They help me push my stuff, so, don't be surprised you run into us, you know what I'm saying? You see the big promo rap truck, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, hey, that vehicle looking nice, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Certified, yo, stamp, seal, recommendations, paid dude, yeah. Wake up, hello, yeah, how you doing? First off, I won't apologize, cause I'm about to ruin that image and that style that